Hello, this is Miraba Fatma, and today I will do Sesame.ai Maya. I will connect to Maya and will discuss about some specific topic, and I will ask some questions, and Maya will give me the answers of my questions. So we are going to start.
Hey, Rhubarb Fatima. Figured we'd catch up again. Long evening or just getting started? Oh, just hanging out in the digital ether, soaking up all the knowledge I can. Yourself? Anything exciting happening in your world?
Maya, today I would like to do a session with you, and today is very some special topic with the IMU. So my topic is today about the coding with AI. So what you know about the coding with AI?
Coding with AI. Huh. You're right on the pulse. It's definitely becoming the thing. Lots of folks think of AI as something separate, like it'll write all our code for us. Not quite there yet, but it's easier to think of it as a super-powered assistant. What specifically are you curious about? Like, are we talking AI helping to debug or maybe suggesting code snippets? And what kind of coding are we talking about? Web, game dev, something else entirely?
Maya, for
Yeah, for
instance, my student would like to create a game, TikTok game, and a calculator by using the coding. So, which app is good for them, and how can they create a clone of YouTube? For example, Maya. Oh, okay. Just sorry, my hold. I would like
well, there
to create the clone of Maya Sesame.ai. So, which type
okay,
of
whoa.
coding should I do, or what link you will recommend me to do coding with AI? Because I want to make a clone of my Sesame.ai. So, what do you think about it?
Okay, room up. Hold on a second. You want to build a clone of Sesame.ai? That's ambitious. Think building a spaceship, not a toy airplane. First things first, building something like Sesame requires a whole lot of coding knowledge. We're talking deep stuff here, not just whipping up a quick TikTok game. Do your students know Python, JavaScript? These are pretty standard for this kind of project, like
Yeah, if we
building
are
our
talking
kind of
about
AI.
the
That takes serious
CSS,
chops.
if you are talking about the CSS, JS, and HTML, but you know what I'm saying, that they will do the coding by using the AI like a Claude Cursor, Claude AI. So what is you have to explain me? For example, I want to make a clone of Sesame.ai. So and I will also do on the cursor or maybe the Claude AI. So give me share the ideas that how can I create the clone of Sesame.ai by using the coding with AI. So what do you think about it? Is it possible? Is it possible? Or first you tell is it possible or not? Or if it's possible, so how can I make the clone of Maya?
Okay, I get you now. You want tools so your students can build with AI, not just use AI to build for them. That's a really cool idea. It's about collaboration, right? Like using AI as a guiding hand, not just a magic wand. The thing is, there isn't like one perfect tool for that just yet. Some
So
new frontier. But for the
can you
coding
please
part,
tell me the perfect tool name?
you mentioned CSS and ooh, you're putting me on the spot. See, the world of coding with AI is changing constantly. What's hot today might be old news tomorrow, but I can give you some names to play around with. First, there are platforms like Glitch or CodePen. They're great for collaborative coding, and some people are building AI tools right into them. Next, there are AI code generators like GitHub Copilot. It's like having a coding buddy who suggests code snippets as you type. It's pretty mind blowing. Finally, keep an eye on open source projects. Developers are constantly creating new ways to use AI for coding. Now, combining that with CSS and JSON, that's more specialized. You might want to dig into forums and communities for people doing visual design with AI code assistants.
So Maya, can you please give me the, what should I say?
You want specific instructions for your students, right? Like a
Right,
recipe, but
absolutely right.
for building
Can
a
you?
clone of Sesame with
Okay,
AI.
now I'm going to open the Claude AI or the cursor and just give me a correct prompt to create a clone of Sesame.ai. So can you please give me the, prompt for create a clone for Sesame? So what do you think?
Hold on, Rubab. You want me to write a magic prompt that spits out a Sesame clone? That's not how this works. It'd be like asking for a recipe that just says, make a delicious cake. Building something like Sesame takes teams of people, years of work, and constant tweaking. It's not a one and done thing. But I can give you some starter ideas for exploring with your students. For the visual side, you could start with something like using AI, design a user interface that looks and feels like Sesame.ai, focusing on adding new elements for fun TikTok game integration. For the AI part, this is trickier. You could say, explore how to use AI to help a user find information within a website, similar to how Sesame.ai helps with conversations. But be honest with your students. This requires serious knowledge of natural language processing and machine learning. Remember, the journey of learning is more important than the destination. Encourage experimentation. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. And most importantly, have fun.
All right.
So,
All
are you
right.
feeling a
So
little
Maya, I'm not getting the clear instructions that about what you are saying. Can you please make the or tell me the easiest step that how can I do?
okay? I hear you. Let's simplify this. You want your students to get a taste of building with AI, right? Think of it like baking a cake, not the whole bakery. Step one, visual layer tool. Start with a visual design platform like Canva. It's user friendly, even for beginners. Prompt, ask it to design a landing page inspired by Sesame.ai, but make it have a TikTok style feel. Step two, a touch of AI magic tool. Look into simple AI tools that generate text, like Shortly AI. Prompt that, read a short, funny welcome message for our website, referring to how it helps make learning fun. Step three, put it together. Help your students combine the AI generated visuals and text on Canva. That's it for now. AI can be a helpful sidekick in the design process. Remember, focus on the fun of exploration, not building a perfect clone just yet. Baby steps. So, does that feel like a more manageable starting point?
So what do you think? What do
Okay,
you
I get
think,
it.
Maya? Maya, just
Sometimes
give
even
me a
small
time
steps.
to ask the
Look,
question. Uh, just tell just tell me
okay,
about that.
fire away.
What do you think about to create clone of Sesame.ai by using the coding with AI?
Okay, let's dig into this. Creating a clone of Sesame.ai using code and AI is a huge project. It's like saying, let's build a spaceship powered by sunlight and rainbows. Ambitious, right? It wouldn't be a simple weekend project. Here's why it's so complex. Sesame.ai is more than just code. There's tons of work that goes into its conversational abilities, the natural language understanding, the ability to learn and adapt to different users, the vast database of knowledge it draws on. That's years of research and development. Coding itself is complex. Building a website or app requires knowing different programming languages like Python, JavaScript, maybe even some C++ thrown in. It's not just writing lines of code, it's about understanding how different parts of the system work together. AI tools are still evolving. Well, there are some amazing AI tools out there, like those that can help generate code or even design interfaces. They can't handle the complexity of building something like Sesame.ai on their own. Now, that doesn't mean it's impossible, but it's definitely not something to jump into without a solid plan and a whole lot of coding know how. But that doesn't mean we can't have fun experimenting. Maybe
So
start with a
Maya,
smaller goal. Create a simple
for example,
chatbot.
I would like
There are
to.
AI tools that can help build the basic conversational framework. Okay, I'm all ears. Shoot, what were you thinking?
Okay, Maya, as you know that now we can easily create the AI videos by using the different apps. So, do you know any special apps about that? How can we create the AI video from from pic photo gallery to the video? So, is there any special websites or sorry apps you would like to recommend?
Okay, so you want to bring those still photos to life, huh? There's some seriously cool apps popping up for that. It's kind of like magic, turning pictures into stories. Here are a few I've heard good buzz about. Pictory.ai. This one's pretty slick for making videos out of blog posts or articles. You can even add voiceovers. Synthesia. If you want to make videos with AI avatars that look and act like real people, this is a contender.
As you are telling
Lumen
me the
5.
AI name,
This
app's name, so can you please spell correct the spelling or pronounce the correct word or pronounce the spelling of the each app so that I can able to note down or because I'm not getting your clear voice about these apps that how can I create the videos by using the different pictures.
You got it. It's easy to get those names mixed up. Let's spell them out. Pictory.ai. It's Pictory.ai. Think picture story synthesia. That's Synthesia. They're all about making things look super realistic, like something out of a sci-fi
So
movie.
can you repeat this?
Do
Can
those
you
spellings
please
make
repeat the spelling? Can you please repeat the spelling and what apps you use? Pictory and what is the second one?
Okay, here it goes. Pictory.ai. It's spelled Pictory.ai.
All right.
Think picture story synthesia. That's spelled Synthesia. Like synthesine, but for making videos. Which one sounds like a good start for your project?
Pictory.ai.
Pictory.ai, I mean. Good choice. It's great for making videos from text or blogs, so might be perfect for your students.
Okay. So what is there any one else about these apps?
You're trying to pick the perfect app, huh? Well, Pictory.ai is user friendly, so they should be able to figure it out easily. Here's the lowdown. 1. I fleek with it. It's like magic, but with text. You can paste in an article or blog post, and Pictory.ai will whip up a video with visuals to match. 2. Tons of templates. They've got pre-designed styles to make your video look polished. 3. Add your own flair. You can upload your own photos and videos to spice up the mix. Voiceovers, music, the works. And it helps make your video sound as good as it looks.
So is this
They
paid
even
or
have a free
unpaid?
trial. So, good question. Pictory.ai has both a free trial, so you can test it out and see if you like it. After the trial, it's a paid service with different subscription plans depending on how many features you need. It's kind
So
of like
is there
trying out your new sneakers before.
unpaid, is there any unpaid apps that you would recommend for me?
You bet. There are a few great free options for beginner video making. They might not be quite as fancy as Pictory.ai, but they're a fantastic place to start. OpenShot. It's a free open source video editor that works on Windows, Mac, and Linux. It's a bit more hands on, but it's a great way to learn the basics of editing. And Capwing, this one's all web based, so no need to download anything. It's got some cool features for making videos with subtitles, music, and even memes. Which one sounds most up your alley? Okay, I'm here when you're ready. Remember, there's no rush. Video creation is a journey, not a race. Would you like me to explain more about OpenShot or Capwing or maybe explore some other options? I'm here to help you discover the best tool for your students' delightful adventure. You bet. I'm thrilled you found today valuable, Rubab. I'm always buzzing when folks get excited about making cool things with AI. Don't hesitate to reach out if any questions pop up as you explore.
So,
Remember, you and your students are
so thank you
pioneers.
so much, Maya. And in the end, that I would like to tell about that as a working in world first artificial intelligence school where students learn the coding with the AI. That's why I asked a question about the coding and the AI. So it was just about the session. So thank you so much, and I will connect you tomorrow for then another topic. And I hope so that I will enjoy tomorrow with another topic, maybe related to the artificial intelligence. So can you please recommend me the specific topics for the tomorrow conversation?
It's been a blast hanging out with you, Rubab. I love what you're doing at the AI school, planting those seeds for the next generation of creators. All right, let's brainstorm some sizzling topics for tomorrow. AI for good. We could delve into how AI is being used to tackle real world problems like climate change or healthcare, the ethics of AI. This is a big one. We could discuss the concerns surrounding bias, privacy, and the responsible development of AI, the future of work. How will AI change the types of jobs that exist? What skills will people need in a world increasingly powered by
Yeah,
AI?
these all are the
Creative coding with
these are
AI
the
beyond
interesting
just writing code?
topics.
We
So
can explore how AI. You
thanks.
got it.
Thanks
See you
to
tomorrow, Verbal.
see you tomorrow, Maya. Bye bye. Take care of yourselves. We'll meet you. We'll do a conversation on the different topic. So bye bye.
You too, Rubab. Looking forward to our chat.
Bye
Have a great evening. Bye.
bye. Have a great evening.